You have solved my problem. I'm being told there's 1,000 here.
Yeah, it's the guys applying, and then I think what you need to do, all these cities.
That's very good. That's here now.
Chairman,
Yes.
this event is very exciting. They moved around.
Yes. You can see the hall is almost full.
Yeah, in the tunnel. We have to address outside.
Yes.
Because there will be a huge overflow.